can change a moment. One idea can change the world. Now, we request everyone to stand for the prayer song.
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Of the future, but also reflected on the past in the guise of fond memories. Now I request all dignitaries for lighting the Kuthuvilakku.
Sayang பாருங்க. இங்க பாருங்க. Come. Sayang பாருங்க சார்.
With just the right mix of chalk and challenges. One such teacher is Assistant Professor, Technical Society in charge, Mrs. R. Veerasundari Madam. I kindly request ma'am to deliver the welcome speech.
Gathered here, so it gives me immense pleasure to give the welcome address. Myself on behalf of ADS Department faculty and students, I welcome Founder Chairman, Colonel Professor Dr. R. Rangarajan sir, and respected Founder President Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan ma'am, and respected our trustee Mrs. Rangarajan Magalakshmi Kishore Kumar sir, ma'am, our director KVD Kishore Kumar sir, and respected Dean Academics Dr. V.R. Ravi sir, welcome sir, and respected Deputy Dean Technical Society Dr. N. Gayatri ma'am, welcome ma'am. So our HOD Department of ADS Dr. A. Morgan sir, welcome sir, and all other deans, HODs, faculty members, and my dear students, once again I welcome you all for this inaugural function of ADS, Society for ADS. Next, students, you may be thinking, why we have to choose a professional society? So it is important to be up to date and on track with current trends, opportunities, and issues locally, regionally, and globally. So on here, Technical Society help us to all to be updated and assist in personal advancement and offers continuous learning activities. Since our core is artificial intelligence, we have selected Society for Artificial Intelligence, so which promotes interaction between engineers and helps in applying concepts from academics to industry level. Thank you all.
Technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids to work together and motivating them, teacher plays an important role in our life. Welcoming one such teacher, Dr. N. Gayatri, Deputy Dean, Technical Society, to share few words about Technical Society for Artificial Intelligence.
Respected Principal Sir, Dr. E. Kamalnavan, beloved Dean Academics, Dr. V.R. Ravi, Head of the Department ADS, Dr. Mohan, and all staff members and their students. Good afternoon to one and all. Sent here. Say good afternoon. Okay. Takes immense pleasure to inaugurate your Society for Artificial Intelligence for ADS students. What is meant by a professional degree? Why you have chosen professional degree? Okay. Professional degree is to prepare someone like anybody coming out from school life to work in a particular profession like engineering what you have chosen. Often meeting the academic qualifications and requirements as per some norms, government norms and university norms. Okay. Our engineering degree provides you to work in an engineering profession in a specified field like AADS. It has a focused and specific curriculum which aims to develop your knowledge, skills in specific area of your specialization. The purpose of an engineering degree is to ensure that you are ready for a career in a given field and have received the necessary training to hit the ground running. In 4 years of your time studying, you will be dedicated to practical and real world training. engineering degree looks to bridge the gap between the academic world and the industry world. A degree of this nature will often include mandatory industry internships and work placements as a part of your curricula, like all practical applications of knowledge with theory based. Okay. So advanced engineering, science and technology increases require the collaboration of experts from various fields, which needs to address various problems with the capability of new technologies to transform existing disciplines to new generation. A professional society means it usually seeks to further a particular profession that interests of individuals and organizations engaged with the specific professional society. The professional membership, what you have obtained today, is the status of your particular member, can be a staff or student, is given when they have joined the professional society. It is an opportunity for an organization to join with the industry professions to provide a range of platforms to exchange their experience and ideas in the areas of relevant to your current technology and advancements. So the benefits of professional society membership includes recognition to be a qualified professional. It takes part in a training program organized by different societies at discounted fees to enrich the profile of students with continuous professional development. It provides opportunity to volunteer towards helping organize their technical events and even take part in subcommittees of their societies to develop teamwork and leadership skills. It provides great opportunity to be a part of networking, having enormous number of experts in various domains. It shows predominant job opportunities for requirement, consultancies, internships and professional developments also. So we have a wide range of professional societies, international level and national level. Like American Association of Engineering Societies, Society of Women Engineers, International Engineering Consortium, American Society for Quality, Society of Automobile Engineering, a few. Well, society is about Artificial Intelligence Society. So the artificial intelligence can dramatically improve the efficiency of our workplaces and can enhance the work human can also do. When artificial intelligence takes over repetitive or dangerous tasks, it frees up the human workforce to do their better equipped with tasks and involvement with creativity. So artificial intelligence nowadays it becomes mandatory in all many fields, particularly like manufacturing robots, self-driving cars, smart assistants, proactive healthcare management, disease mapping, automated financial investment, virtual travel booking agent, social media monitoring, like this. Where Society of Artificial Intelligence is the core where the power of thinking collaborates and provides solution for next generation in digital transformation, infrastructure, security and engineering services. It enables transformation for every step of enterprises and digital technology by providing seamless customer experience, product satisfaction, support along with efficiency and insight of business through power of artificial intelligence and next level technologies such as cloud computing, data analytics, web technology, mobility, security, telecommunication and IoT. So hope you all explore about all these things and attain better knowledge to achieve your goals. Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Teaching is the greatest act of optimism. Everyone who remembers his own education remembers his teachers, not the methods and techniques. The teachers are the heart of our educational system. On this wonderful evening, I would like to call upon the Dean Academics, our friend, a philosopher and a well-wisher, Dr. V.R. Ravi sir, to share few words about the Technical Society for Society of Artificial Intelligence.
Principal Dr. E. Kamalanaban in absentia. Beloved AIDS HOD, beloved Deputy Dean, Professional Society, Dr. Gayatri Madam, respected faculty members, beloved students. Very good afternoon, one and all present here. So this, first of all, I am very happy to participate in this inaugural function of a Society of Artificial Intelligence. So every person, they are talking about artificial intelligence in this world today. So you are all lucky to get a admission in a artificial intelligence BTech program, and currently you are pursuing this degree. Okay. Few days back, actually we told the students should improve their skills rather than knowledge. In few years back, actually, the companies are expected knowledge, but present scenario is entirely different. Presently, the companies are expecting skills rather than knowledge. There is a difference between skills and knowledge. Okay, if you go to any interview, your BTech degree will be the gate pass to enter into interview. You need a 1 degree certificate, but once you enter, they will expect a lot of skills from the student. If you have a skills required by a particular company, definitely you will get a placement. Because the world is very fast. So nowadays the students are also very smart. So the students, what they have to do, they have to improve their skill sets. This is very, very important. That's why we are telling beyond the classroom activities. So Anna University says that every semester you have to study 6 theory and 2 laboratory courses. That alone is not sufficient to get a placement. That is mandatory to get your degree certificate. Okay, through the 6 theory, 2 laboratory courses, definitely you will gain some knowledge. Sometimes you will get skills also. But the skill what you are getting from your degree is insufficient. You have to get more skills. So in the beyond the classroom activities, we are saying that you have to undergo internship, in-plant training, industry visit, then value-added courses you have to study, and then you have to do mini project. At least in second year, 1 mini project you have to do. Third year you have to do another mini project. In final year you have to do the final year project. So like that we are telling many activities. Like this, you have to participate in a technical club, you have to participate in a professional society activities. Like that we are telling many things. Definitely, if you undergo these activities, you will get a lot of skills. Especially this professional society, the society of artificial intelligence. So I hope that the department will organize a lot of value-added courses, workshops, seminars, some hands-on sessions, like that many activity they will do. And if you attend all these activities, definitely your skill set will improve. Also, the other colleges, they may have a society like this. You can also go and participate in some activities organized by this kind of professional societies. The advantage is if you have a membership in this society, there you will get some discount to attend a workshop or seminar, whatever it is, some training program, whatever it is. There you will get some discount. Even some professional societies, they are publishing textbook also. Maybe in future, this society may also publish some textbook. So you will get some discount, maybe some 20%, 30% or 50% discount you may get. The most important thing is any professional student or professional engineer should be a part of a technical society. So through this, definitely you can understand what is currently going on in a education field, in R&Ds and also in industries. So it is a very good platform through which you can get currently what is going on, also in future what is going to come, what technology is going to come, especially in artificial intelligence and data science. So it is for any professional student, it is mandatory. Even if you complete your degree, once you go and join in company as an engineer, you have to be a part of one technical society. It is very, very important. So I can assure that this society will give you lot of knowledge as well as skill sets. Right? And this is one kind of student. The student should take responsibility to organize activities through this professional society. So both technical club, also this professional society, student should involve. So once you involve in organizing some technical events, so that will give a lot of skill sets, like even the communication skills, working in a group skill, some technical skills, many things will automatically, it will improve. So it is very, very important. All students should be a member of a professional society. Please remember, even if you complete your degree, you have to be a member in any one professional society. Right? Okay, with this, I'll just wind up my speech. Thank you very much.
It's not about having right opportunities. It's all about handling them wisely. Now, we move on to certificate distribution ceremony. I kindly request Deputy Dean Dr. Gayatri Ma'am and Dean Academics Dr. V.R. Ravi Sir to distribute the certificates. Now, Arulmozhi, Ashwin, Bharat, Dennis Abraham, Krishnan, Janardhanan, Janashri,
Sir, sir, Nikita.
Jashwant Mukesh, Jaya Murugan,
Kavin Kumar, Hifa Fatima, Kaushik, Lenin Vignesh, Manoj Pandit, Mithun
Inger
Karthik,
bar, Inger bar, Inger bar.
Mohammed Faiz Ali, Nivedita Are, Nivedita S, Padma Priya, Preeti, Roshini, Sanjay R, Sanjay Kumar, Sivanyana Krishna, Subhash Rao, Syed Shah Tarun Sari, Vijay, Yakeshwar,
thank you all.
what to see. One such teacher is Assistant Professor MJT Vasanta Priya ma'am. I request ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Dear students and staff, myself behalf of Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. It gives me a great happiness to deliver dignitaries assembly here I would like to thank Dr. B.R. Reddy sir, who honored this function with an inspirational thought. I would like to thank our beloved deputy dean, Dr. N. Gayatri madam, our HOD, Dr. A. Mohan sir, and all other faculty members and our dear students. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Thank you all.